So, very good morning, children. As this is the revision class of our chapter commercial activities and non-commercial activities. As we have finished the chapter, yesterday we have finished that chapter, and many of you have prepared the notes also. Very good, good, very good. So today this is our revision class, and this is the question answer session. Okay, and I'm going to ask you some questions. First of all, I will give a quick revision of that. What are the commercial? Everybody is knowing what are the commercial activities and non-commercial activities. What were the types? Okay, and then I will ask the question, and you have to give the answers. Okay, so what are human activities? Whatever the activities which carried by the human being, that are human activities. These are two types. These are two types. One is commercial activity and the second one is non-commercial activity. Okay, then commercial activities, or we can say the economic activities, these all are the activities which related to earn money. These activities are undertaken with the object of earning money. Okay, and if we talk about non-commercial activities, so non-commercial activities, they are the activities that undertaken to satisfy their social, religious, cultural, and sentimental requirements. Okay, these are non-commercial activities. So, what were the types of commercial activities? I told you yesterday there are three types of commercial activities. One is business, the second one is profession, and the third one is employment. Okay, so what is business? Business, which includes all the activities which are concerned with the production, exchange of goods and services with the object of earning money and acquire wealth. Okay, this is called business. All the organization which carry the business, these are called business enterprise or business firms. Okay, and the person who is engaged in the business, that person is called businessman. Okay, so the objective of business is to sell the goods and services for profit, for profit motive, exactly. The uses of scarce resources to satisfy the needs of the businessman and their families by generating the revenues and generating the income. Okay, now what was the profession? Profession, the term profession means an occupation which involves application of specialized knowledge and skill. As I told you, the person who are engaged in profession, they are called professionals. They render their personal services, and for that they get fees. They receive fees for that for their services which they are providing to their clients. Okay, so what we have learned, the specialized body of knowledge, that special knowledge we have to acquire to be professional. Every professional has a special and systematic body of knowledge. Member of the profession are required to learn the special knowledge. Okay, they need some formal training. By special knowledge they gain theoretical knowledge, and after that training, so they get the practical knowledge. Okay, as we do in science, first of all what we do, we learn the all this dissections and practical of the chemistry. We talk about physics, we learn theoretically, and then we go to the lab, and then we do that practically. Okay, so specialized body of knowledge where we get the by the member of that, where we get the theoretical knowledge, and after that the formal training. Okay, so these were the points of profession. And if we talk about employment, so employment means an economic activity which where people work for others, right? Where the people work for others in exchange of what? Remuneration. Remuneration is what? The person who work for others, that person will be called employee. Okay, that person will be called employee. And the person or the organization which engage the people in the work, that will be called employer. Okay, and the remuneration given to that person, to that employee, is called salary or wages. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so now
Yes,
I would
ma'am.
like to ask you that what are commercial activities? Tafim Rizvi. Yes, Tafim Rizvi, tell what are commercial activities?
Ma'am, commercial activities are activities in which human beings earn money
Which we do
or make profit.
to gain profit. Okay, any example you can tell?
Example, showroom of the car.
Showroom of the car, it's an economic activity. Or
Yes,
working in
ma'am.
that showroom is an economic activity.
Yes, ma'am. Working.
As an employee or as a worker, working in that
Yes, ma'am.
showroom is an economic activity. Not showroom of car is an
Yes,
economic
ma'am.
activity, right? Okay. Now
Yes,
Alisha
ma'am.
Zaidi. Alisha Zaidi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what are the non-commercial activities, or you can say non-economic activity?
Ma'am, the activities which are done by our wish, matlab, ma'am, means we are not doing this for earning money.
Hmm. These are called non-commercial
Non-commercial
activities.
activities.
Okay. And any example you can give?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell the example.
Um, yes, ma'am, a mother teaching her child.
Mother teaching her child. Very good. Okay. Thank you. Now I'm just calling some questions, means I'm just giving you some questions. I will ask a certain person, that concerned person will give the answer only. Okay, so if I talk that you have to classify the commercial and non-commercial activities. Okay, a tea stall on New Delhi railway station. Kritika Shukla. It's in commercial or non-commercial? Kritika Shukla.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell a tea stall on New Delhi railway station.
Ma'am, will you please repeat the question?
You have to classify the following in commercial or non-commercial activities. The first point is a tea stall on New Delhi railway station. It's in commercial or non-commercial?
Ma'am, it's a commercial activity.
It's a commercial activity. Sure.
No, ma'am, it's a non-commercial activity.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
How it is non-commercial? Please tell me.
Ma'am, because we are doing that for earning money.
So this is non-commercial. For earning money, what we do? It's concerned with economic, commercial activity or non-commercial activity, beta?
Ma'am, commercial activities.
Yes.
I'm
Commercial activities
confused.
commercial
Economic.
activities are concerned with earning money. The activities which we do to earn the money, these are called commercial activities. अगर उसको चाय पीना का मन था, हैप्पीनेस या अपने सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए, तो वो घर पे भी बना के पी सकता था.
Yes, ma'am.
Why the tea stall is on railway station, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. The next is Sarita preparing tea for her husband. Om Soni. Om Soni. Yes. Sarita preparing tea for her husband.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Sarita preparing tea for her husband.
मैम प्लीज वेट, आई टेक अ लीड मैम। मैं आके बहुत सुनाई नहीं दे रही है।
That is
एक
your
मिनट वेट करिए।
better. There is a connection problem in your part. I am very much clear, and everybody can listen to me. Okay, the next one, Saima Hassan. Sarita preparing tea for her husband. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, it is non-commercial.
It's a non-commercial activity. Why? Give the reason also.
Ma'am, because she's preparing it for her husband. It is personal. It is love and affection for him. There is no profit to her.
Okay, there is no profit. Very good. Okay, thank you. Naina Vadhavan, a nurse working in hospital.
Ma'am, commercial activity.
Why? Give the reasons.
Ma'am, because he is earning money to satisfy his needs.
Okay, good. Hasima nursing her mother-in-law. Afreen. Afreen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hasima
Ma'am, please
nursing
repeat
her
the question.
mother-in-law. Hasima nursing her mother-in-law.
Yes, ma'am.
Hasima nursing her mother-in-law. Harshita nursing her mother-in-law.
Ma'am, it's a non-commercial activity.
Give the reason also, beta.
Ma'am, because she is not earning money.
He is not earning money with that. Okay, okay, thank you. A restaurant cooking paratha in its
Here's a summary
restaurant.
from
Okay.
250-gram whole.
Who is going to tell me? Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. A restaurant cooking parathas in Gali Parathe Wali, Chandni Chowk, Delhi.
Ma'am, what?
I'm asking you, a restaurant is cooking the parathas in its Gali Parathe Wali Gali in Chandni Chowk, Delhi.
Ma'am, economic activity.
An economic activity. Why?
Ma'am, because she is earning money for food.
They are preparing in the restaurant, okay? And suppose I am preparing for my home.
Ma'am, it is non-commercial. Ma'am, yes, ma'am, non-commercial.
Non-commercial activity. Okay. Hopefully everybody has understood what is the difference between commercial and non-commercial activity, right?
Yes,
Now, and now I'm
Yes,
asking
ma'am.
you. Now you have to tell me. It's an business, profession, and employment. Okay. We have learned the business, profession, and employment. Now you have to tell me what is business, what is profession, and what is employment. A dentist clinic. A dentist.
Ma'am, can you tell that what is employment?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, first I will explain, then you will give the answer. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Employment means where we work for others. Okay, where we work for others. There will be certain terms and condition or the agreement between the employer and the employee. Suppose I am doing work in school. Okay, so who am I? I am an employee. Who has taken me in the school? Owners of the school, that MD sir or MD ma'am. So they are employers. Okay, they are employers. And the thing which is which has gone, this is employment where I am working for my owner. This is called employment where we work for others. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose I will tell you that I am an employee. Okay. So the employee work for their organization, work for their employer according to the written or oral agreement. Okay. The employee, they perform, any employee whom I or anyone, they perform their work according to the assigned work by their employer. Those who have taken me into their business or their workplace. Okay, as per the terms and conditions of employment, that there are certain terms and conditions which I have to follow. Okay, so as per these terms and conditions, I agreed that I will work here. Okay, so there is an oral, there can be oral or there can be written agreement between the employer and the employee. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first of all, tell me that yes, you have to classify the activities into business, profession, or employment. A dentist clinic,
Ma'am, profession.
it's a profession. Okay. So if a dentist clinic is there, so dentist is a, you can say it's a profession because the dentist has to gain a special knowledge. Okay. So the dentist clinic, it's a profession. A person working as a lawyer in Nokia. Now, mark my word.
can you tell again?
A person working as a lawyer in Nokia. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Sarthak?
employee.
Yes.
Ma'am, business.
This is employment. This is not business beta. This is employment. Very good, Sarthak. A person working as a, if that person is working is in his own chamber, that is profession. Okay, but that person who has taken an special knowledge about any particular area and that person is working for another person. See, that person is working for another person. He has taken a special knowledge. He has done the law, but he is working for another person. So he is an employee. So this is employment. This is active. This activity is an employment. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now your barber. Barber.
Business. And because it does not require some specialized knowledge.
Yes, very good. Barber. Very good. It's a business. Okay. Now, if we talk about your tailor.
Ma'am, business.
Business. Okay. A lawyer practicing in Delhi High Court. Now I will
Ma'am,
ask.
profession.
No. Who is going to give the answer? Saima Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, it is a profession.
it's a profession. Yes, because he is practicing under the council. The bar means there is a Delhi High Court, and the person is lawyer. So the lawyer is practicing in Delhi High Court. So it's a Saima.
Ma'am, profession.
Yes, very good. Okay, the President of India. The President of India.
Ma'am, profession.
Oh no.
Profession.
How profession? Please tell me. If we talk about the President of India, he's an employee. Okay, this is an employment. It's not business. He's not doing business. He's not. Okay, there is not exchange of goods. In business, what is required? Exchange of goods and services, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if we talk about Sunil Mittal, the chairman of Bharti Airtel, the chairman of Bharti Airtel, Sunil Mittal, it is?
Ma'am, employment.
It's a business.
It's an employment, not a business. He's the chairman in Mittal. Mr. Mittal is a chairman, beta. And where? In Bharti Airtel. So children, we were discussing that the President of India, who is President of India, you will this activity will be considered as business, profession, or employment.
Employment.
Employment. Very good.
It's an employment.
And now if I talk about tailor, your tailor.
Business, ma'am, business.
Business. Very good. Okay. A dentist working in Safdarganj Hospital.
Ma'am, profession.
Ma'am, employment. Employment.
Profession. Profession.
Employment.
And whether it's working under some people, but it requires some specialized knowledge.
Employment.
But he is not working.
No, ma'am.
in his own
Employment.
place. Please just listen to me. He is not working in his own place. He is working for other. What I told you, if I am working for others, that is an employment, right?
But it requires some specialized knowledge.
Yes, it is a specialized knowledge. But after gaining this specialized knowledge, he is not working for his own sake. He is working for other. And if for working for other, it is concerned as employment. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, your school teacher.
Ma'am, employment.
Employment. Employment.
सिर्फ स्कूल टीचर बोला मैंने.
Ma'am, profession.
Ma'am, profession.
Ma'am, profession.
Profession.
Okay.
No profession.
Good. And suppose you are matriculate. You are running a grocery store. Anybody is running a grocery store. Now I'm asking. No.
Ma'am, business.
Ma'am, business.
Yes, it is a business. Okay. So hopefully everybody has understood the difference between business, profession and employment, right?
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
लेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई problem तो नहीं आएगी?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. One thing I want to tell you people that you have to all the students have prepared the notes. That is very good. But I told you to make a small chart in the beginning of the chapter that you have not prepared. Okay. So everyone, what you have to do, take a plain page. Okay. Listen to me very carefully. Take a plain page, make that chart and paste it over there. Okay. A small chart paper you have to take. There you have to make that chart, small chart, which I have told you, and that you have to paste those who have not done. Those who have done, well and good.
Ma'am,
What you are saying, beta?
ma'am, can you explain again that how we have to make the chart?
That chart I have sent you, beta. On board I have mentioned. Okay, I'll send you again. Okay? Doesn't matter. Is it clear now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hopefully you people
Yes,
are enjoying. Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
सबको समझ
Yes,
में आया
yes.
बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.